Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk you through some of my favourite hair care products. So we're not talking about hair dryers, styling tools, straighteners, anything like that. We're simply talking actual products like shampoos, conditioners, oils, brushes, all of that fun stuff. So if you're interested to find out what I think is really good for the hair, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is shampoo. So I make it a huge point in my life never to buy anything that was tested on animals and to try and buy stuff that has as many natural ingredients as possible. I have made a conscious effort over the past, I want to say 3 to 4 years, to try and buy products that are vegan as well. I'm not actually a vegan in terms of my diet or anything, but I think whenever it comes to hair products, makeup products, anything in the hair and beauty industry, if we all group together and make a conscious effort to cut down on the amount of animal testing or animal products, then it can only be a good thing. So this is why I've chosen this brand. This is not sponsored by this brand at all. However, I would contact this brand for a sponsorship because I really love them and I've used them for years. But up until now, I have always purchased all of these products with my own money, and I use these products in my salon as well as in my personal life. So the brand, I'll stop talking. The brand I'm talking about is the Maria Nila brand. So the Maria Nila brand do shampoos, conditioners, oils, dry shampoo, and they also do a range of colouring products as well. I actually like to buy the little versions. So I actually have the true soft shampoo and conditioner here. And then I also go for the luminous colour shampoo and conditioner. And then I also use the repair shampoo and conditioner. There are loads more choices, but these are the 3 that I like to switch between. The reason I buy the minis is because I own a salon. I actually buy the litres of each of these. I use them in the salon and then I just top up my own and I keep these in the shower. Because they're so tiny, I can justify keeping like 6 shampoos and conditioners in the shower at once, as well as other products which I'm going to talk about. If I used the full-sized ones, my shower would just be taken over by products and that would be a disaster waiting to happen. But this way is a really cost-effective way to do it, so I'm actually just buying stuff. I'm buying one product that I can use at home and in the salon as well. But it's just a testament to how much I actually love these products. So the reason I love them, they are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. They are also sulfate and paraben-free. They have a colour guard complex in most of them, and they're produced in Sweden, which is a place where I'm from, not that that matters. And they also have a wee bit of like UV protection in them as well, apparently. So that's the one for the repair, and then I have, as I say, the soft and the colour one. I'll use the colour more whenever I actually have colour in my hair, like when I was pink a couple of months ago, for example. But I just like to switch between them. Okay, keeping within the Maria Nila brand, they also do a range of masks. So this is the Pure Volume Mask, which I absolutely love. It says it's born out of passion for great colour care. This rich palette of products makes it easy for you to be true to your hair type and the solution for it to stay truly colourful. So this also has the Colour Guard Complex. This one has volumizing vitamin B5. It's also sulfate and paraben free, 100% vegan ingredients. Their entire range, by the way, is sulfate and paraben free and 100% vegan and cruelty free as well. So it's just a win-win, and the products smell amazing, they feel amazing in the hair, and they actually do miracles for the natural hair as well. That's everything for the Maria Nila brand. They also do oils, which I've run out of, but I did actually really use that. I used it on my own hair and clients' hair. It was an argan oil. They do have a dry shampoo, which I don't like. Sorry, just gotta say it. Actually, staying within that topic, I'll move on to a dry shampoo. This is just honestly the holy grail. I absolutely love it. It's the Baptiste dry shampoo in volume. Now this one is new. So the one that I used to use actually was just purple packaging, and you're probably very familiar with it, but it has, I think it was called Volume XXL. It was so good for volume. I do have fine hair, so I like to use as many products that will give me a little bit of volume as possible, and that one certainly did. I am a dry shampoo addict, I really am. I only like to wash my natural hair once or twice a week, so if I can use dry shampoo and pop it in my bag, it's just so good, even to freshen up between events and things as well, or any photo shoots that I've been doing. Dry shampoo always comes with me. Now I think this is just new packaging, I don't know, but it also does say that this has plumping collagen in it. So maybe it's a new and improved. I don't know if you can still get the old one. I'm sure you can get it in some places, like maybe just old stock. But this one might be new and improved. I've only used it a handful of times, so I can't tell you how amazing it is. But it's the best volumizing shampoo I've been able to find so far. And I've been using dry shampoo for years. So I do love that one. It's like £4. It will last a really long time. It gives you volume and it keeps your hair looking really freshly washed, even when it's not. I want to touch quickly on another cruelty-free brand. All of these products, by the way, are cruelty-free, but this one is the Kenra. It's a little bit, my bottle's a little bit wet because I actually used it today, but this is the thickening conditioner. I have run out of the shampoo, but the shampoo looks exactly the same. That's crazy that I've run out of shampoo and not conditioner for once in my life. Normally I use twice the amount of conditioner to shampoo ratio. Anyway, this is the Kenra Platinum Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. It does what it says on the tin. It certainly does thicken my hair whenever I use it. Feels lovely, it's weightless. It says here for weightless lift and dimension, full body conditioner. Smells great, does the job, quite affordable. Yeah, love it. Keeping within the Kenra brand, you've maybe already seen this in a couple of my previous videos, but this is the Kenra Root Lifting Spray as well. I love using this whenever I'm not wearing extensions and I want to blow dry my hair upside down for a little bit of volume. I spray this on my roots whenever it's wet, blow dry it upside down, give it a wee bit of sort of rubbing action with my fingers, and it just gives me loads of volume and it stays there until I have to wash it again. So this is incredible. It's less than £10, I think. It really, really does the trick. Okay, the next product that I absolutely love is a little cheapy but a goodie, and it's just a little root spray. So this is in the colour dark brown, which matches my roots. I like to use this. It's like, I shouldn't even say this on camera, but I'm going to anyway, because I need to be honest. I do get grey hairs. I'm 27 and I get greys. I blame the fact that I used to bleach my hair so much when I was younger, that yes, I get greys, and I don't really colour my hair. So if I see a wee grey, this is my friend. So it's just the Root Perfect Instant Root Concealer Spray, dark brown, conceals regrowth and covers grey, and it washes out. So I just put a little bit of that on any troublesome areas that I need to, and then I'm good to go. Okay, and the next product that I want to show you guys, I can't even, it's so cute. I don't know if I love this because of the size of it and the cute packaging, or if it's because it actually does the trick. But oh my goodness, look at that. My camera's not going to focus, I don't think. Yay! Okay, so that's it there. I love the smell of this as well. So I don't know what the smell is supposed to be, but it, to me, smells kind of coconutty, kind of vanilla-y. I guess it's maybe just the smell of marula oil. I don't know, but I absolutely love this. I've only used it a handful of times on my hair extensions, but it certainly made my hair really easy to brush, and it is so tiny that you can just pop it in your handbag and go, and I just love the packaging. So that's the oil. Forgetting about the cute tiny packaging that makes me like such a child. Any oil is great for your hair, honestly. Coconut oil, argan oil, Moroccan oil, anything is going to be better than nothing. It just makes the hair easier to brush, so then you're going to get less tangles and less split ends and less pulling whenever you do brush your hair. So definitely get yourself a little oil. We're nearly done. I only have a couple of other products. So, oh my goodness, if you haven't heard me talk about this product, then you haven't been watching my videos for long, or you're not a client. But this is Olaplex. This is an incredible product. I have the huge one because I do buy it for salons. Obviously, most people watching this video wouldn't go for the number 2, they would go for the number 3, which is a much smaller bottle, and it is a little bit less intense. It's just a little bit of a diluted version, so it's safe for home use, but because I am a professional stylist, I can use this and it saves me buying the number 3. I actually have a couple of bottles like this lying around in the salon, so again, similar to what I did with the Maria Neela products, whenever I pop into the salon, I just reload it up and I use this one at home. So this is incredible. I'll give you a little bit of a quick information session about what Olaplex actually is. So it's a product that was developed in America by a hairdresser and a scientist. It, to me, is like the holy grail. There have been loads of other products that have popped up on the market ever since. One called Nplex, for example, one called I think there's like a Redken Plex, there's basically anything Plex, but in my opinion they have copied this brand, and this brand has over 60 plus patents on their ingredients, so I think it's very, very difficult to copy. And anyway, I wouldn't even think it's worth trying the other cheaper products to see if it's worth it, because this just gives me such consistent results. I have clients that come to me for hair extensions and I cannot do them because their natural hair is too dry, too broken, too overprocessed. So I put them in a course of treatments of the Olaplex, which is in salon number 1 and 2, and then they use number 3 at home. And after maybe 3 sessions, their hair is good to go and they're able to get hair extensions again, and it gives them such confidence and a little bit of a bounce back in their step, because our hair is our identity with a lot of women. So Olaplex is incredible. It reconnects broken disulfide bonds. Hairdressers can use the number 1 while you're going through a colour process, and then number 2 as an addition to that, and then number 3 is for your maintenance at home. So either just get the number 3 for yourself. It normally retails at £32. I don't know what that is in dollars, you'll have to do a conversion. And if you want to take it an extra step, then get the number 1 and 2 Olaplex done in a salon. You can only get it done in a salon, but this is unbelievable. It's one of my favourite products, and I'm pretty sure you can't overdo it either. You can use that until your heart's content. So that's it in terms of shampoos, conditioners, treatments and styling products. But I just want to quickly mention a hair product that I use every single day, and I really truly believe that it's cut down the amount that my hair has broken, and it's a lot easier and quicker to brush, and that's my Detangling Brush. So I bought this one in TK Maxx. It is a replica of the actual Tangle Teezer wet brush, I think. I also love Tangle Teezer. I love the wet brush. I kind of just mix and match all of them. I like to buy myself a new brush every couple of months, because whenever these wee bristles start to bend, obviously you're going to catch your hair, and it's better for your hair to use a new brush. This is the one I'm using at the minute from TK Maxx. I got it for about £6. And the thing that makes it so great is the long, flexible plastic bristles. It's going to make it easier to brush your hair when it's wet or dry, and it's designed for hair extensions, so that is a must. It comes with me in my handbag everywhere I go. And then last but not least is my hair balls. Oh, they're so cute! I'm obsessed with like miniature products. But yes, these are incredible, and I also do have a bigger one as well. This is really stretched, but you can get these in like Primark for a couple of quid, and they hold the hair up really high. I do have actually a tiny one in my hair now, and I've had this in all day. They're really good at preventing the amount of tension and breakage whenever you're wearing your hair up, especially if you're wearing it up for long periods of time, or if you're a get up and go girl and you wear your hair up for work all the time or something, then these are definitely my go-to hairband. I wouldn't use anything else, because as I say, it cuts down on the amount of tension, it cuts down on the amount of pulling of the natural hair, and it keeps my hair up like high all day. And even if I'm wearing like loads of long, thick, heavy extensions, my up style does not bunch with these. I will obviously use a bigger one in that case. But holy grail products, I absolutely love those hairbands. If you don't have any, go and spend a couple of quid in Primark and get yourself some, and you'll notice a huge difference. Okay guys, that is it. That was my favourite hair care products. If you want more videos like this, then please do let me know. Leave a comment down below in the comment section for any future video ideas. If you want me to do reviews on like straighteners, curlers, all of that side of things as well, then please do let me know. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the little bell for notifications if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. You can follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot about hair, but also beauty, fashion, health, behind the scenes of my photo shoots, all of that fun stuff, more so the day in the life of the crazy little me. So do go and follow that if you're interested, and then I'll also link down below my business pages on Facebook, Instagram and my website if you want to go and have a look at what I actually do, or have a nosy at my salon pages. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched to the end of this video, I appreciate it very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.